Good morning, everyone. This year we are for the first time this year we are organizing the a national level HR conclave Carium 1.0, which will bring all the industry, the academician. It will be an industry academia initiative by the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. So we have done this for so that we will come to know about the requirements of the industry and so that we can cope up with the academics. So that we can train the students, they can place well. So that's why we have today we have more than 100 HR who are coming from 100 different organizations from all the verticals, starting from tech, non-tech, cement, then pharmacy, all the verticals they are coming and they are attending this conference conclave. And we have two technical sessions. One is two sessions. One is technical session where there will be five speakers from Microsoft, from TCS, then from Tech Variable. These are the companies that are coming and they will be having a panel discussion regarding a topic. Then in the second half, we are having another session for non-technical, where all the FMCG, pharmaceutical companies, all the companies, the higher officials, they will be coming and participate in this panel discussion. So we are expecting that this will bring a holistic development of the industry as well as of our students. Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay. আহি খুব ভাল লাগিছে মই নয়ডাত মোৰ সফটওয়্যাৰ কোম্পানী এটা আছে অসমেৰা 1995তে তাৰপিছতে নয়ডাত চাকৰি কৰিলোঁ নিজৰ সফটওয়্যাৰ কোম্পানী এটা খুলি পেলাই এতিয়া 400 মানুহ নয়ডাত আছে 30-35 জন মানুহ ইউএছত আছে আমি খুব ক্যাম্পাছ প্লেসমেন্ট কৰোঁ নৰ্থ ইষ্টতো আমি ট্ৰাই কৰিছিলোঁ এতিয়ালৈকে সাকসেসফুল হোৱা নাই নুৰে মাটি আনিছে আই হেভ সিন দ্যাট দিস প্লেস খুব ভাল লাগিছে আৰু আই এম শিওৰ নেক্সট টাইম আমি ইয়ালৈ আহিম ফৰ ফ্ৰেচাৰ হায়াৰিং
Thank you.
Thank you.